everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's so good to have you all back. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the method that I use to stretch out my hair. Like, so far so good, is the best, and it's the method that has been working for me. Stretching out your own hair by yourself can be a lot of work. Before we get into this video fully, I'm going to take my vitamins, and I've been taking this particular vitamins for months now. It's made to promote healthy hair growth, strong nails, and glowing skin, and it also contains vitamin C, which is perfect for strengthening your immune system. When it comes to natural hair, it's like one of the rules is to always work in sections. Like, it makes your life so much easier, and it's way more easy to manage your hair when you section it. I washed my hair earlier, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply leave-in conditioner to my hair, and then also use a little bit of oil to seal it in. Now, when it comes to using oils, I use a minimal amount because I don't like when my hair is too greasy or my scalp is too greasy. So when it comes to using oils, I'm really careful with the amount that I apply on my hair. The method I'm going to be using to blow out my hair is known as the tension method, and so far so good. This is what has been working for me. Doing your own blowout is an arm workout. Like, you will literally develop muscles by doing this. So just make sure that you comb your hair. Always detangle your hair before starting your blowout, and then place your comb at the tips of your hair, just like how I demonstrated in this video. You see the way I'm holding my hair using the comb, and then move your blow dryer in an upward and downward motion continuously. Just keep doing that, because that is all I do when I'm stretching my hair. And once I see that it's already starting to get stretched or stretched to some extent, I then go ahead and be combing while stretching it at the same time. One of my biggest issues with this particular blow dryer is that it's a little bit difficult to get to your ends. Like, make sure your ends are blown out really well. Most times I need to put in extra effort to make sure that my ends are properly blown out, and this is one of the reasons why I really cannot wait to get my hands on that Rev Air blow dryer. Unfortunately, it's not yet distributed in Nigeria. You mostly find it in US and the UK, so it's almost like impossible to even get my hands on it now, but God bless the day I get my hands on that blow dryer. Another thing you want to make sure that you're doing while blowing out your hair is to always put it in twist by the time you are done, because see, our hair shrinks up so fast. Once I'm done blowing out my hair, I always make sure I put it in a protective style, something that is also going to keep my hair stretched for a while. So it's really important for you to keep that at the back of your mind.
Throw away the city lights, throw away the cars. Give me a clear night underneath all the stars. I don't want no concrete jungles, no suburbia. I just want somewhere that the blue skies are. So come with me to a place afar, where the palm trees dance and sway. So run with me. If we leave right now, we might make it in time. The sunset is fading, but the light's not gone. The ocean waves have just begun. The water is calling, the night is young. So if I lay down, will you come? So if I lay down, will you come? So if I lay down, will you come? I don't wanna leave this place, I don't wanna go. For some reason I felt like that I've always known. This is where we're meant to stay.
Because I used to always part my hair in this particular spot, I put so much tension to the fact that I developed a bald spot, and this is all the shading I had from doing my blowout. It's really baffling when I think about it now, because I can't believe I used to sit for a hairdresser to blow out my hair all at once. Like, the torture and pain they used to put me through, I don't even know how I sat through that.
Where we should be, this place where the sun shines forever free. The sunset is fading, but the light's not gone. The ocean waves have just begun. The water is calling, the night is young. So if I lay down, will you come? Follow, so follow. So if I lay down, will you come? Follow, so follow. So if I lay down, will you come?
interested in learning how to do your own flat twist, I'll go ahead and put the link to the video in the description for you. We have finally come to the end of this video, and if you are someone who is interested in natural hair content, lifestyle content, and also beauty content, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Thank you all for staying to the end of my video, and I'll see you guys in the next.